This time in the garage. I've done some shopping, broken some tools, and this thing still doesn't have a working steering lock. Last chance for the key, the original key anyway. Going to give it a couple of tricks off the internet. First one, give it some whacks with a hammer. But I'm pretty confident it's the wrong lock, and that really isn't working. So, stage 2, before I take the dashboard apart, let's find a big screwdriver. Welly it into there, see what happens. Nothing. Right, slightly smaller screwdriver. Come up with the wood. Grips. On the internet, this looked like so easy, you wouldn't believe it. Oh my god, it worked. Oh no, it didn't work. It just screwed the lock up. Ah, oh, damn it. Well, it might mean I can get a key into. Oh no, it's just the front faces I'm turning. Nothing inside it's turning. Damn. Ah. Let's try this thing again. Where the hell's the front of my screwdriver gone? Damn it. I'm missing some screwdriver here. Take 2, try and get this thing wheeled out of there. Come on, you damn thing. Oh, you're joking. I've just broken 2 screwdrivers. How strong is this thing? What is it made of? Score now. Car 2, tools 0. Bother. So I was stuck with one key which opened some of the doors, not the driver's door. The steering lock didn't do anything. I figured the best thing to do to make this a proper working car is get a complete set of everything. Had a bit of a scour around, spoke to some breakers. In the end, eBay turned up a complete set, both door locks, boot, glove box and an ignition barrel for this car. The locks will be a doddle to change. I can do that in a few minutes, but this thing is the pig really. This is the problem. Well, so far, the advice I've had off the internet has been less than stellar, and all I've managed to do is make a bit of a mess around the interior and break 2 screwdrivers off in the lock, which was already broken anyway. So, the latest bit of advice I've found is to take the entire panel off underneath the car, the dashboard, get the binnacle out, and then attack it with some heavy tools, as in angle grinder, air saw, that kind of stuff, and just destroy the old one. I've got a new lock in the boot, so fingers crossed, let's see what we can do. Right, so these are already, a couple of these are already off. I saw this little switch sticking through, and it's some kind of rheostat, dimmable something or other. I've honestly no idea what it does or where it goes. Very, very homemade. So, yeah, once the ignition's on, interesting to see where that goes to. I don't know what you can see underneath here, but that's the steering column, that's the back of the key barrel, and that's the steering lock, which I need to try and get an air saw or a grinder onto without destroying anything else. This is my new one, which works. I've tried it and the key turns and the steering lock goes in and out quite happily. However, I've got to get this whole damn unit out of the car dashboard somehow, and I can't even see the thing at the moment. Shutting the door because it's really cold out there today, at 1 degree I think. Now then, the guy on the internet said we can reach up inside here, basically just push the binnacle out. Oh, you can as well. I did not expect that. Wow, something was true on the internet. I did not see that coming. Now I just need to get the thing out far enough to unplug the various connectors and things. So the problem I now have is that although the dashboard's halfway apart, it's still getting access to the old one. A grinder will not fit in there, an air saw might just about. I did read online about a little pin release that you can push something into and get it out, but I think steering lock might still make it a problem. Yeah, I think this is going to have to come out more. The steering wheel may have to come off. Join me next time, subscribe and see where this goes next time. Thanks for watching.